Okuchondoza kw'ekitongole kya United Nations High Commission for Refugees nukworeka ngu ibura ry'ebyokurya omu nsiisira z'empungi nukweyongyera n'obucweka 15 harigana omu myaka 5 ehingwire wagerageranisa n'enyimaho. Ahabwa enshonga egi ab'ekitongole kya Action Against Hunger bakwatanise na ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga batandikira project egi eyesirwe Uganda Nutrition and Resilient Project kubaasa kuhera empungi ezi okwetungira ebyokurya ebirukumara.
So when we come in as Action Against Hunger to combat hunger, number one, we are increasing food production for an economy like Uganda that depends on agriculture. 80% of it is agriculture. And number two, we are increasing household incomes for the different families we are working with, but even beyond. Number three, Action Against Hunger is into innovations, new ways of farming, climate smart agriculture.
Obwahati abantu bahingira aha buhango bw'itaka rukwingana na acres 250 ezabahirwe ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga omuri Roma.
Others are in the area of education, of support to the fight against gender-based violence, and actually this one on agriculture.
Many other farmers are going to come here and farm besides the ones that we are working with. So I think the number of refugees that we are working with could go beyond 10,000 for this particular irrigation system, because many others can come. Any agency can access the water.
They are all refugees, so they can use it as long as they are still here, until when either it is resettlement to a third country of asylum, repatriation. That is when we get it back. Otherwise, they can still use it as long as they are here.
Abantu babyara embibo z'omurembe kandi batunga obushagiki okuruga omu ihanga erya France. Omujwekero wa France omu Uganda, His Excellency Xavier Stika atayira omwanya ogu okureba ebirukukorwa hamwe n'okureba okwo obushagiki bwakongerwa.
France has been committed to the Naki Valley area for a number of years now, and there are times when programs are taking place, as is the case now, and which is, I hope and I trust, an improvement in people's lives.
Project egi neetwa Uganda Nutrition and Resilient Project UNRP kandi obwahati eri omu kampu eya Nakivale hamwe na Kyaka. Ihanga lya Uganda riine empungi zirikuhika 1,50,000 kandi ihanga lya South Sudan niryo rikukizayo empungi omu ihanga eri n'ebicweka 57 harigana rukaratwaho Democratic Republic of Congo n'obucweka 32 harigana, Somalia eino obucweka 3 harigana na Burundi eino obucweka 3 harigana hamwe na gandi mahanga. Gasha kwa Eli Akiza.